We're going to teach you how to do a vintage style wrapping in a very easy and simple way that gets it right every time and looks fantastic. You are going to need a box, some vintage wrapping paper, some double-sided scotch tape, some single-sided scotch tape, a pair of scissors, some twine, some artificial holly, and an official North Pole wax seal. Let's get started. So what you're gonna do is you want the bottom to go about this high up the box. Put this on the edge, and you want to take the top and wrap it all the way over so that it meets the base on the other side. So mark that with your fingers and kind of hold that, and you're gonna cut all the way up on there. It doesn't have to be exact, better to go a little over than a little under. Now what you're going to do is measure from the bottom, that 2/3 height. You're going to do the same thing at the top, and you're going to cut across where that is. So I know mine is about 2 boxes high, so we're gonna take it about 1 box, 2 box, right there. So above this line, I'm gonna cut straight across.
1.5 boxes.
Okay, make sure your box is nice and even on the squares. It's important you get wrapping paper with squares on the back. It makes it a lot easier. Take about 2 to 3 fingers width, and you're gonna take scotch tape. Can be any kind of tape. Okay, now do a nice crease all the way down the side here. You are going to go all the way across, double-sided sticky tape. Okay, and then just tape it down. Once it's taped down, you want to crease all the edges. Nice and sharp. Sharp corners, sharp edges. Next, you're gonna fold the 2 bottom corners in like this and make little triangles on both sides. Okay, see how this is folded in, it made a triangle right here. An angle, and you're gonna do the same on both sides. Make sure nice and flat, nice and sharp. And you're gonna do the same thing with the top. You're gonna fold in the edges like this, and then you're going to take some double-sided tape, put it straight across on the bottom, on the edges, all right? And so once you got some double-sided tape there, you just come straight up and push it onto the box. You're gonna do the same to the top. Okay, and then you're gonna fold the bottom up like this, and you just repeat the same thing on the other side, just like this, and then you're gonna do the same thing on top. Looks great. It's got sharp corners. You'll always wanna crease all the way around, make your corners very sharp. See, that looks good. We're not done yet. So you want about 10 feet of twine. You're gonna wrap it around your box just like they used to do. Just like they used to do in the olden times. Take your twine, find the middle, and you're going to take the middle and slide it under, okay? And you're going to cross over both sides, move it to the middle until you got some nice parallel tracks here right in the middle of your package. You're gonna take your left hand and go south, and you're gonna take your right hand and go north, essentially 90-degree turn. There you go. And you're just gonna make it in the middle, and then you're gonna flip your box over, and you're gonna do tracks again. So you should have it looks like this. So now what you're gonna do is you are going to slide underneath that top layer. And this direction's gotta come back and under. All right, and then make your tracks again. Okay, and you're gonna make 2 big U's. Take your top and fold it over like this and make 2 loops. You're gonna take the top and loop it, take the top and loop it. Take one end of either loop, and you're gonna put it through the loop on the other string. Okay, and then you're gonna take both ends, find both ends, and then you're gonna pull. So what you have is a nice, easy knot, and with this, you can loop it and do a little bow tie.
Now that I can do.
Then you cut off all your extra. Really pretty twine on a package. And it looks like this now. Take some faux holly.
Holly.
And you're going to slide it straight through the middle to where it catches on the knot. This is a wax seal that I ordered off of Amazon. It's really cool. It says North Pole official. So what we're going to do is we're going to take some of this red wax. I'm going to break it off. Spoon. So now what you've got is a beautiful wax seal. That kind of makes it look official. All right, there's one last piece, a vintage Christmas card, and you slide it in the opposite side of your holly. And now you have a couple of great looking gifts.
Cute.
Yours looks great. And that is how you wrap a vintage style Christmas gift.